everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to remove a friend on Monopoly Go. So let's dive into the video right away. First of all, launch open Monopoly Go application and make sure to log into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage for Monopoly Go, go ahead and tap on Friends icon at the bottom right hand corner. Once you're inside the Friends and Family tab, tap on the leaderboard option. Make sure that you've selected the Friends option from the sub-menu as well, and then go ahead and select the friend you would like to remove or get rid of from your friend list. Tap on their profile picture and tap on Remove in order to remove a friend from your Monopoly Go game. In the pop-up, make sure that you want to remove the person as a friend and tap on Remove one more time. So that's how you can easily remove a friend on Monopoly Go. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.